welcome to the next show. Pastor Andy for Inside Studio, when they discuss friend zone. Our phone numbers go there on top of our TV now. We're going to begin the call us.
If you're a member of the friend zone campaign.
If you did the bank. Yes. If you did the bank, wait.
And tell us the amount.
Savannah Bank of Emotion.
This thing where we talk about today, they happen for everywhere, for church, for school, for workplace. A lot of people just did that friend zone. And say friend different from friend zone. No. Friend zone now when they don't promote you for labor market and then they never take you. Okay, I talk that one click. Okay. Friend zone now when they don't promote you for labor market and they never still take you. So they competition, they setting.
So you are nowhere.
You are just hanging.
Yes.
You are nothing but a dead rat.
And a pendulum.
You are just around. See, this one even happen for church. Where you go be maybe one youth leader or one HOD. You go just say, see me after service, hold my Bible, hold my Bible. You go just deal with them all day. You go sit down, you go buy food, you go follow you talk, you go buy you watch, buy you, blah, blah. But you don't go talk anything. You just there around. When they get private, you go call you to make it just day beside her. You go just say, you're a great girl. Great things are coming. Go. And there's nothing to work with. So when all our friends say, does HOD like you? He said, my brother, I don't know, but I have to be consistent. Consistency is the mother of skill. I have to be around. You go do.
This all my hard work cannot go in vain.
That month go end. That year go end. The second year. Now when Lincoln say,
Nothing for church. I remember. Nothing for church. One Sunday service. Announcement. In 3 weeks' time, Brother John Numomboji will be getting married. Our HOD.
She will just stand up. Say it's a lie. Why all of you in this whole church trying to prank me? It's not true. Now, some people have entered emotional depression on that alone.
From Warri, good evening. Stanley.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
Hi, Stanley.
How it is now?
Good day. Ask your question.
My brother.
Yeah.
Why be say women, if you deal with them, and they say you they're friendly and they know say you get someone else, what do they see?
Yes.
They'll see they get that sickness of that jealousy. Why? Thank you very much.
Okay. I just hang up. You say they see someone, then one girl they try to befriend you. You never married someone where they see now.
Okay.
So until further notice, now labor market everybody there.
Yes.
So some people they subconsciously just intensify their attention on you. To see whether you could just
maybe your own maybe that bank where they put your own emotion.
When they invest in you,
put this one.
Because maybe the interest rate is a bit higher or favorable.
Jesus Christ. It makes sense actually. Now, maybe the benefits, because if she intensify, they call you, they check up on you, they do this. If he said nothing, I'm just a shoulder you can lean on.
Maybe the one where you deal with Fina Zimbabwe dollar.
Then
the one where they come close to you now, American dollar. You understand? Are you with me?
I pray for 12 now. Please, my brother, when did it happen like that? It just means, say, you need to ask yourself critical questions. Why that person, they pull your attention like that? If the person, they get your attention like that, you need to cut that relationship.
Quick. From Kano, good evening.
Redefine them.
Good
evening.
Ask your question. Good evening.
Yeah. So, wait till they talk, we say, if you and person don't deal, we say, when I don't dey used to yourself, and you dey like the person from the beginning, and if you talk. After the zone done, after the liking done too much, you're not supposed to talk again, Abi?
No. Hey, who talked that one?
Why you join
My
this?
brother, what are you talking about now? If you don't spend time with the person, wait, I just talk now. Open your mouth. Talk how you feel. If the person say no feel that same way, it go pain you small, but it go dey easy for you to move on.
Yes.
No be when the person won't marry, you go begin vex, you know go come the wedding, you know go even buy a because you don't even know why they behave that way. Now because you don't they like him and you know talk him. Because a lot of people, even for church, they happen. Make they help people understand how emotions they work. Sometimes this thing not be devil. Now your emotions, you feel say you don't invest time and attention to the person. So open your mouth and say, look, I really like you. I would want this relationship to get. If she say, I don't feel that same way for you.
Finish.
No vex.
Check next door.
Respect your family name.
Yes.
Move on.
You understand?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
How you doing, my
evening.
brother Kenny?
Fine, thank you. Kathy, good evening.
Evening, you.
Ask us your question.
Okay. It's not really a question, but I want to share with you people because this friend zone of 18, the thing they work. And they happen to almost every day they happen.
Okay.
And like me, I don't do person this. And it don't happen to me when you say, I have a friend, the girl for school. So her roommate, actually, me and her roommate just met. I like her. And then the first game when I don't even know say she they like me. And I just say I'm as my friend. We just they talk today. I just say I'm as an ordinary friend. We talk before you know me and her roommate. They like each other. Before you know, I don't defriend the girl. So she now come see offended. And the thing, even till tomorrow herself, she still like the vex for me. If this one no say this one day, as in that my friend, like she no say that my babe deal with me. She no go want see me at all. She go say she no want see the girl. If the girl too no say that my friend now in the friend zone, she dey with me or we dey together. She go say she no want see and she no want wahala. So the thing, sometimes we know they really know when we don't put person. Before you go know now when the person does it, you don't deal with another person.
So now,
on the verse and the thing actually it pains a lot, it hurts.
So make the person talk in mind. Like
so what would they talk now? Be say this show makes sense to you now, Abi?
Are they here?
That girl, that original girl, the reason why she dey vex be say for her mind she don't invest for your emotional bank account, and she feels say time to harvest don't
You know they get a lot.
You don't they carry that account thing now. Don't they service another program? So what if happen be say she foretell you how she feel,
because
or you self you feel no, but you know say no be like that you think it be. So you for help her, you just leave her and say, well after all no be me they like her, now she they like me.
And after all
those
she never
things
talk
no
anything.
dey fair. It no dey fair on the other person. Because the person will just invest for nothing and nothing will come out of her.
Peace, good evening.
Nedu.
Hey, sister in the Lord, how is D?
I do. Sister Katina, they greet you.
Wait, sir, they greet you here.
Ask us your question.
Pastor Yain.
Well done, ma. How are you?
Good evening, no.
Evening,
Thank you for the wonderful work where they do. And from this program, Wazobia, they really enjoy them.
So you will come from the single something then now.
This friend zone of 18. Because I remember I say, before me, I like to keep male friends.
Okay.
Because when I make friends with all my heart.
Okay.
And when you are making friends with ladies, they are, they always break person heart. They always misbehave. So I believe, say, guys, they misbehave like ladies.
Okay.
So I don't know, all those guys, maybe they take as my friends. Almost 90% of them, me.
90% of them?
Me and them, I make friends with them. Me, I no carry anything for mind.
But then they like you.
Even now, after every why I don't marry, I did the kind of call. When one of them here say I don't marry, as they talk to me on phone, when they talk to me finish like this, I always feel that, I always feel bad. Yes, they call me and they talk to me very badly.
So that means say...
That's when they make them say they really like me. But they didn't say anything. So and even though when they talk, I thought, my party, why you go talk like this now?
Wait there, just hold on there. So now you be the principality for this friend zone. So now we don't see, no off phone, no. We don't catch you now.
No, so, don't they tell you, you don't say me, say, let's go out. I'll call them laugh because I'm not an outgoing type.
So what happened be say, them invest, you just they catch your trips. You somehow
say they
talk
like
to.
you.
Somehow
say
they like you.
No, I don't know. They talk I'm jokingly. Okay, now even the one why I like where. Why not say talk now where.
So now you don't marry and I don't free am, Abi.
I don't marry, but they come for where they tell me to.
He vex. He reached to vex. Now why would they explain the emotional dimensions of this friend zone thing? When you define and you say you. Okay, all right. Later.
Talk to your pikin. Hello, Jeff from Holland. Good evening.
Good evening,
Evening.
Oga Jeff, long time no see.
How you doing?
We dey fine.
And Captain, how you doing now?
I did, my brother. I want for. How is your madam?
Now, so we take never
this is
reach
serious.
our... Okay, we don't reach. Okay, Jeff.
Abi?
You get question.
We thank you for our Holland trip. Oh, we don't go come back. Thank you.
Definitely now. Nothing now.
We enjoy our trip for Holland. We enjoy ourselves. We only say the code too much.
Yes.
But talk to us this
It's
evening.
not too much now.
Okay. We dey hear you. Talk to us.
Pastor, how you doing now?
I'm good, though. We thank God. What you want to ask?
Hello.
I dey hail you back. Oh.
We inhale.
Yes.
I just want to say, I enjoy your program. I just want to say more grace to your elbow, man.
Thank you very much,
know?
Oga Jeff. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, Jeff, God bless you. Help us greet your wife. Tell us say we like the food where she cook for us when we come Holland.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Good night, Oga Jeff.
Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy your weekend.
Hello.
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 Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Talk to us. We dey hear you. Ask your question.
Oh, God, they do.
Hey, how are you, John?
I just fine. I say, make I hear you, they do.
I inhale.
Jesus.
Man, I dey like your program. I dey body your program.
We dey like you too, my brother.
Jesus
We
Christ.
in like
That was
it.
good, yeah.
Yes. What did you talk the same thing too?
You say?
Yes. Airport.
I dey hate it. She take it. I dey hate her.
She dey inhale.
you.
I dey hate it. She tell her say she too bad. I dey bad her.
She dey
Bad you too.
Bad you too.
I dey tell her say this is her hairstyle. This time around, this is her hairstyle. I too like her hairstyle, yo.
Oh, so my brother, that toasty, you want to take toast at the area toasting, Abi?
I dey like her hairstyle. Tell her say I need her number.
Okay.
Bye, thank you.
Yeah, I say I like her number. I say,
Hey, Daniel!
You need to go and sit down
Pastor,
because
continue.
now John for Bible then give the revelation to. You need to go and sit down to collect his revelation.
So now we done catch one major
Principality.
one major principality.
Peace.
So I just like boys. I just like them.
And you know this she dey talk, eh? Peace talk something when they be say we not hear and finish. She said 90% of them they like her.
Yes.
So which means
It means
Peace
say
no.
they get where she dey where they trigger intimacy.
And she know.
It means where she says she don't know.
Say,
She
I'm
said
not
she
agree,
know.
say she
Wait,
don't
wait,
know.
wait.
It's possible, say she.
Yes. So maybe she don't know. But she say, for the beginning, she just say she did more comfortable with guys out. It means say she fit give you telltale signs of intimacy. Where no mean intimacy. She fit just come and they eat. She just collect the spoon. She won't put the spoon on, she go turn and put them for her own mouth. Sit down for your leg. Get up, come on, say, you for your mind, because now 10 boys there, only she can't do them before. So for your mind, that don't register for your own as intimacy. Another time, me do with another person where you know they.
You can't vex.
So all of them are just get
Your different moments.
Whereas one I no. Say
Yeah,
nothing.
it's like when they deposit 5K for your account. They deposit 5K of emotion.
When nothing they run. I just little
Deposit.
flash accounts where you just open around. Nothing.
From Zaria, good evening. Messi.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, Messi.
Full peace.
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening,
Enjoy our
Messi.
program. Oh. Now well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You get question to ask us?
Hello. I say my call now. My first time calling be this. So.
Hey, thank
Ah.
you, thank you.
Thank you. How's Aria?
Fine. No, we there. No problem. We just do enjoy the Bulgaria thing.
You get question for us?
So I say my hello now.
Oh,
Thank you, we hail you. Thank you very
you,
much.
thank
Good
you.
night, madam.
I mean,
Madam
greet
Messi.
everybody for here.
Greet everybody for your compound.
Oh, no problem.
Oh,
Bye,
good
bye.
night.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Continue.
No, yeah, person.
Okay. All right.
Pastor, continue.
So all those 5K, line make and be like saying that 90% of all of them, because those behaviors, maybe even the guys, no even maybe the boys are not even they comfortable with public show of affection, but they show public show of affection. You know, so it registers a major event for their own life. So all of them come they
plus her
hope,
energy.
yes, you know, and she sound like person get very serious energy. The person she even like. No fit interpret wetin they have. Maybe that one self see all the.
They
He say,
deposit.
say I don't know this
I
this
don't
woman, this
understand,
piece
oh.
where I don't know in way.
And then
May I
the
just leave
problem
am?
still come down to not talking.
Not
Yes,
talking.
he no talk because he don't know now. Maybe program the way he sit down top. Maybe follow something.
Exactly.
Please don't know. Say if I talk anything now, I fit cause trouble with him. So he leave am. She now don't marry. but then they call them they vex. Because that means say that thing not be 5K. Now 5K where when you open and because you want small diamond stone inside. Not be small.
Emotion.
I mean, no, it's not be small. Maybe make a when they talk to you. You know, sanguines, they're very eccentric, outgoing. And when sanguine give you attention, the whole world go vanish. So you go give you attention like say now only you. When you enter the next person, now only that person.
Same thing.
You go, so they look your eye, they hold your hand, they rub your hair,
they
come out something
talk
for
like
your eye,
say
they come out. As you go, she don't even forget to follow you play. No be say anything. No.
So those people are weak. That's wickedness.
It's not wickedness. That's so they be.
High places.
That's so they be.
So maybe one of these days we go discuss temperaments and then how to understand each
So who
of
be
those.
who? This guy is it now? Is
All
he sanguine or penguin?
Stanley, good evening, Ibiko.
Sunday play I hate.
It's a wickedness. Stanley.
You don't know even whether you are sanguine.
Mrs. Taiwo.
No, he is now.
Hello. Yes.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, oh.
Ask us your question.
Okay. Nedu KD.
Fine.
How you doing now? Okay, Tree, where you go yesterday?
I go by fuel.
Where you go?
I go by fuel.
Ask us your question, Mrs. Taiwo.
To share you fine this evening. Your hair is fine.
Thank you.
Oga, I want to talk to the pastor on the studio.
All right. Hear you.
So I want to ask, like, maybe some people now, like married woman, and you can't get neighbor for house, and the neighbor now single. So you just explain with all your mind, like say, now my friend, like, especially you they pick here, like say, they cook, and you cook, they give them, and maybe you are single, your husband is not around, he's not with you, so yeah, I know, but and later, like the person can't they fall in love. What do you feel to that kind of thing?
Now, my sister, just listen to me. Listen to me. You, out of the goodness of your heart, you just give food to neighbor. Say they alone, you never marry, and then one day just turn. As you give her the food, you hold your hand, hold the plate. Say, listen, pick your cane. Say, my brother, if you try this again, because you need to protect your territory. You are see, whether not you or not somebody, emotions don't they enter. Because if it happen like that, your husband know the day. One day, that's your eyes, you can kill me. One day that thing go hit one place where you know go defend yourself. Oh. So what you go do when you talk again? Don't say that near me again. I respected you, that's why I was giving you food. Please, if you're going to continue to play like this, don't try it around me. Thank you very much. Maybe I should keep my food now. Maybe the gate man should be sending food to you.
Mrs. Taiwo. Okay. Friday, good evening.
But sometimes that temptation can still be. Sometimes
that can't thing go happen. She'll come and go, oh, what have we done? What did I do? Friday, good evening.
God, oh God, blood of
God. Oh God, what did we do? Oh God, what did I do?
I can't believe I did this.
What was I thinking? I can't believe I did. Meanwhile, the boy, they carry toothpick.
Say what's happening here.
We get less than 5 minutes to come up for this studio.
So we
don't start something you cannot finish.
Yes. But we talk that one as they round up. Please, when you know, say, person don't they drag you into your friend zone when you already committed. Now that angle will not even look.
Yes.
As you don't marry, then they get one very happy single boy we follow on their estate. No know where he make money.
He always
stay house. He gets cars. He just there. He's just a very happy, playful. Yeah. They play with all the children for estate. One day he just enter, bring the children, he just enter, talk. You know, he talk well, he yank, or I see they come out. As you want close door, he take like hold the door, look you. They say the person that's marrying you is a lucky man.
Hey. Take it from me.
Close door, come out.
You say come go to think that.
You know, you're not going to start meditating on it.
My husband.
They don't give you number. Then I say you go sit. They don't give you number. If you say here's my card, so you go sit down and do the card up and down like this, up and down.
When you begin carry the card, begin think comes a time to bring out your what do you call that thing? Lighter. Set that thing on fire.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my brother?
We'll start something.
I do.
Quickly ask your question. Now you be our last caller. Quickly.
Yeah, Nedu, I'm a first time caller.
Yeah.
Wow.
I beg, knock that thing for me, I beg.
Jesus
I beg, Katima, how you doing now?
I do. Welcome to the family. This is Nedu, this is Isibit, and this is me.
Yeah,
in
Isibit,
our family like this. Sometimes
ask your question, Nick. Leave her. Now if you speak the warrior.
My question be say,
okay, woman where her husband get money, and the husband give him everything.
Yeah.
Right from the beginning, the woman don't make the husband say she been love him. But what you gonna make the woman when we say her husband give him everything and he love him, she still dey look outside the follow men. I want to ask Pastor make he address.
Okay. I for like answer you now, but make I just round up the other one where would they talk? Because time no day, we go discuss this your own as a different thing, but it's still tied to emotional deposits. Sometimes the person where they give you emotional deposit necessarily no give you money. The person they give you money feel necessarily no they give you emotional deposits. So what did happen normally? We say people where they get emotional deposits go collect from the person who they give the emotional deposit, but they give them money. Go give the person where they give emotional deposit.
And if you say 2 of them, you need 2 of them.
Yes. The money not as important as the emotional deposit. Neither the emotional deposit they more important than the. If you go give them money or give them attention, do them through and through. Make sure no say your emotion no be your money. Some people feel say when they don't give money, they don't give emotions. And no be true. If now they hear me today, women know what I talk about. It was men understand what I talk about. Sometimes because you don't buy a house, you don't build new house, every 4 months, every 4 years, and they change house, no mean say she did totally happy or he did totally happy. Your emotional deposit say, but I must work for them. Now why you go plan your time? No matter where you day, sometimes just wake up middle of the day, just send text, continue your day. Make sure so that then go no say, no be only money be your proof of your intention. Your time, your words, certain things where you they talk. Find words where only 12 now. No. I guess some kind of jokes where me and my wife, we don't go talk about, they laugh.
Yes.
Once you just give me, I mean, person pass. But she don't want to talk maybe the shoe or the hair, she just give me one kind look. Me and go just begin laugh. Something where they bind us, where pass, waiting somebody if you replicate. Because I tell people, like for singles, this one go, before as we close, this one go bless sooner. And they call them the law of institutionalization. Some people, they buy food, they do restaurant, they do everything. When she chop finish, then drive come out. When in reach house, the mug where she take drink, now one other boy give her. The towel where she tie, now one other boy. The pillowcase where she take sleep. Out of the two, person where can go spend money tire and the person where she sleep on top in duvet, who them go remember? Make we end the show like that.
Anyway, double toilet all over the If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.